Hey, good afternoon, class. Hope you guys had a good weekend this weekend. We spent the weekend mainly watching football and making some good dinner. I hope you are ready to start a new week of class. We've got 3 good activities this week for you. Um, let's see what we got here. I'm just going to go over them here real quickly for you. You're going to cover circular motion this week and centripetal force and learn about the forces that are apparent to a object that's traveling in a circular path, and maybe you want to think about how the motion will change when that circular motion goes away. One of the more important labs that I think this week we'll talk about is the one on gravity, which basically concerns the development of potential energy, although we don't see it yet, but also the acceleration of gravity. And one thing I'd like to point out for you to look at is when you're looking at this lab and you're beginning to do the experiment, I want you to be really aware of this. We had this problem occur in the Unit 2 lab, I believe it was, where you were mixing up the idea that acceleration of gravity is independent of mass. And this one should help you understand that better. If not, please contact me so we can kind of go over it. I may put something special about that this week as well, because that's kind of fundamental. Finally, the next activity you need to work on will be your milestone 1 for your final project. And in this one, there are some directions that are given for that, but you really want to pick your final project topic. There's some instructions on how to do that. That's just basically one of the labs that you've completed and you'd like to do a little more research on. Again, if you need some help with that, I'm very happy to help you out. Just give me a text, email, or even call for that matter. I did have a couple of students take me up on that for some discussions this week on a couple of issues. I think it worked out pretty well. Anybody else needs help, just give me, like I said, give me a call, contact me in some manner. Have a really good week and enjoy the balance of the class. Bye-bye.